promise. Today is Saturday, May the 30th. We're gonna get after it out here. Lay a few plants over, I think. I got feet on my cats here. I got my water maker down. There's so much wouldn't have made it through the hurricane this year. According to my tree man, black ants. He said black ants love to kill chestnut oaks. Oh, of course, Tony gonna fire up the chainsaw right when I'm getting ready to make a video. Whew. Let's see what we got going on around back here. I wish I would have cut that damn sumac back. I will do it this year. I'll cut it back. I may eventually want to try some sumac tea. This is the good kind, not the bad kind. You're getting up there. That one's almost over my head. Not quite. Ain't coming on. Whew. Old man feeling rough this morning. Oh, got a chainsaw ripping. My cassava, yucca. I gotta stake these damn pepper plants up. Got a bloom on that one. Okra's coming on. Yeah, I definitely gotta stake them things. I want to get a little bit taller, I can top it. Got some beautiful flowers going on in the squash this morning. Yeah, that's going on good. Beautiful flowers. What we got? I'm sure there's something in there, but I ain't gonna dig around. I gotta finish cutting this damn thing back. I must have not been shaking up my pump sprayer up enough, or got this one when I was getting low and a little heavy concentrated. But it has to be the Captain Jack's dead bug that did it. But it sure fried that bitch. But it's coming on now. Coming on good. I'm just gonna have to cut that dead stuff off. This one here is up to my chin. Like a little PM there, maybe. I ain't gonna worry about it at the moment. I gotta get me another bottle of Dr. Zion's. I probably got enough left for a round or two. Definitely gotta stake my meters up. All right, let's see what we got in here. Slurrilla. I'm gonna get these kids all watered up, and I think I'm gonna lay her down one more time and let it come on up from there. I'll do a before and after. I definitely gotta get my trellis up. I got baby cute coming on there. These are supposed to be these long dongs, ladies. The long seedless one. Yeah, I gotta get my trellis up. You got a feed coming up here pretty soon. This one's almost ready to top. I forget, 12 to 18 inches. It might be 18 inches. We'll see. Whew. I'm gonna take a cut off of calves peyote form today, and I'm gonna put it in the spider farmer. Sex that bitch out real quick, because I can't tell yet. And I got, let me put you down here. I dropped 4 ooey cheese beans in there, just in case this is a male. So now I gotta figure out what the fuck to do with them. I create work, don't I? But yeah, I'll stretch her on out a little bit. Lay this top down some more, of course. See if I can see anything. I just ain't seeing the kids. So I'm definitely gonna take a cut off this one. See if I can't get a certainty here in about a week to 10 days. Gotta lay Miss K's Rockmelon Haze down. Definitely gotta lay her down. Big old chonking ass leaf, huh? Definitely gotta do some more work on her. Figure out which way I'm gonna chase it. Run another room. We'll have to start letting them come up. Old blueberries rocking on. All right, I'm gonna get after it here, and I'll bring you back with some before and after shots. I'll be back in a flash. Okie dokie. I wasn't too sure how I was gonna like these catch pans. I was afraid that they were just gonna stay full of damn water all the time, but it actually hasn't been bad at all. I only had to pump them out one time, so it was a whole lot faster. I dumped a gallon in that son of a bitch and went on. Yes, sir. Let's get this peyote form laid down here, and I'll bring you back. Okay, dokie. Whew. This peyote form. This is definitely going to have to be a two-parter, Grummies. I'm going to have to go take care of Mom here shortly. But yeah, I'll do anything. If it won't quite make it, I'll run a wire across there. The name of this game is to keep them down. Keep them down until you're ready, Freddy. Won't be long, I'm going to be letting them go. I'm not seeing no balls. That little thing down there, it's probably just going to be a calyx. We'll see. Like I said, I'm going to take a cutting off of this. I do not think that's a ball. I'll be seeing doubles. Yep. Won't be long, I might have to let her come on up. She's about got this 4x4 filled out. Rock and roll, baby. I'll see you in a few. I gotta take care of business. Appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. She's next. Peace.